hello everyone. Okay, Miss Janet, can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Janet Lucas. Sila Ara, silang nag-ayos ng mga papers nila. I'm also working as a community health worker sa US. May konting business in Haiti.
Janet, why Nuvali?
Sa Polno Valley, when I see it, it's under the management of Ayala. So when you heard word Ayala, it's a high class. So kasi hindi pa siya polluted, magandang
Like in the
environment, yeah, like in the city, hindi traffic. So I like the atmosphere here.
What can you say about our service, Miss Haba Realty?
Aba Realty, they are very good. They they gave us good service. In my case na yung unit ko nga, it's almost canceled but they reactivated it. They are very supporting kahit nandito sila. When I send email, when I send text, they reply as soon as they receive my message, and they even call us. They spend money to call us in the US para ma-relay lang yung message na dapat namin ma-receive. Kasi kami sa US, so busy. Supportive talaga. And I appreciate that.
Okay, that's all Miss Janet for tonight. Thank you po.
Thank you!
Bye-bye.